Welcome back to another episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. A question that is super common that we are always getting asked, whether we're at shows or customers calling in to our customer service team, is can I install a FASS system that was made for one truck and install that system on a different truck? Now, for example, we are meaning take a system from a 6.7 liter Cummins and install it onto a 6.7 liter Powerstroke. Now, the short answer for that question is yes, but with that being said, there are obviously many differences from FASS kits from truck to truck. Say you're going from a low pressure Cummins system, low pressure being 16 to 18 psi, then wanting to install it on like a 6.7 Powerstroke, or it's going to a high pressure system of around 65 psi. Now, a 165 gallon per hour will have our EM 1001 motor, which is a bit shorter than we installed the larger motor on the high pressure or high flow kits. So that can lead in, you'd need to replace the motor, so buy a replacement pump assembly, potentially brackets, fittings, electrical, and some other components. So generally, it can be more expensive to take the system from one truck and install it on a different truck. It can be more expensive versus if you purchase a full kit, you might save some money and you're going to have a lifetime warranty. Now, this really does vary truck to truck, so there's no simple short answer for that question, but feel free to call into our customer service team and they can further discuss the system that you have and what it would take to install it on the different application.